This is room 14213, which is located on deck 14 here on MSC Seascape. We've been in the room for a couple days, so excuse the suitcases and stuff all over the place, but I'm going to show you our room. So first thing we're going to go through is the balcony, because that's what matters. What type of view do you have and how comfortable the balcony is. So our balcony is pretty much a standard size. You get 2 chairs and an ottoman, which you can use as a table. And overall, you do have a really good view out of the balcony. And if you look straight down, you can see deck 8 and the infinity bridge right there. Above us is the water slides from Pirates Cove. It's a decent location on the ship. We're on the port side and we're about the middle of the ship. So now let's look at the room. Inside this room, on this side of the bed, you do have one USB port, and then you have the light switch that controls all the lights in the room, and then you have like a reading light right here. And then you do have a end table. The bed is we would call it a Royal King because we sail Royal Caribbean a lot, but it's 2 twin beds pushed together. They can be separated right in the middle. On this side of the bed, you have the light switch, but you do not have any outlets. No USB, no outlets, no nothing. But you still get your light, your reading light up here you can turn on. And then one of the weird things about this room is this gigantic mirror. That is not another room, that is a mirror. And it's floor to ceiling, and it's right in front of the bed. Don't know why. You do have a television, and the TV does tilt towards the bed over the couch area. On the desk, there are 2 European outlets here. We have a European outlet converter that we're using to get some extra plugs. Your light switch, and then you have 2 American style outlets right here with 2 normal USB ports as well. The desk is a normal standard sized desk. You have drawers and stuff here where your hair dryer is at. Normal drawers you can put clothes and stuff in. And then an ottoman and a table you can pull out. There is a mini bar. It is the refrigerator. It's stocked with stuff, but this stuff is not free. You will have to pay for that. I think like a can of soda is $3.50. They give you an ice bucket with some glasses, and then obviously some shelves and stuff. This is the couch area. It does not convert to bed, so this is just a couch. We pulled the cushions off, and it's just like a normal couch you'd have at your house. There are some rooms on here where this will turn into 2 more spots for people to sleep, so you can get 4 people in a room, but this room, it's only for 2 people. So that's just the couch. Next to the couch, you have the closet, which has plenty of shelves and a safe, and then drawers at the bottom, which that's fun. Drawers at the bottom. And the safe is very small. You cannot get a laptop in there, but you can put like your passport and other smaller items in there. This side of the closet is made for your luggage, but we have clothes hung up and then dirty clothes at the bottom. That's what we do. For the bathroom, it is a standard sized cruise bathroom. It's more angular than most of the other cruise lines that we've sailed that have like rounded edges and stuff. But you do get a big mirror, like that's me. Down here you do have like where your trash can and stuff is at. And then the shower is right here. Standard shower head. You do get shampoo and body wash, but this stuff is very liquidy, like it's been mixed with water. So I wouldn't really recommend using that stuff. It doesn't lather very well. Overall, it's a standard cruise ship bathroom. It's a little smaller than I would like, but what can you do? At least it's not like a shower curtain. You get some hooks on this wall, and then this thing controls the lighting. You have to have your SeaPass card in here in order to control the lighting. If you put like a Costco card or something in there, an old credit card, it will not work. It has to be your card because it uses RFID. You take that out, it turns off all the outlets. And the other cool thing is this. If you push this button, it tells your stateroom attendant that you do not need service and not to disturb you. And then this one means that they want you to, or you want them to make up the room. Cool idea. I know with other cruise lines, you usually have a magnet on the door, but I kind of like this. Basically, there's a light on the outside of the door that tells people to leave you alone. So that is this room. This is room 14213. It is a balcony room on deck 14 on the port side of the ship, pretty much in the middle of the ship.